How to get zoom effect using CapCut PC. This is a step-by-step guide so you will be able to follow easily. Now let's go ahead and say that I am editing this video right here and I am trying to describe something in this video. Now, most likely you want to go ahead and zoom into a part of the video that you are demonstrating. So this is my video right here. Let's just go ahead and say that you want to zoom in into this part. The thing that you can go ahead and do is to click on our video. Once inside, you want to navigate through the video properties. From here, you then have the position and size. You can just go ahead and click on the add keyframe right here, which adds a keyframe into our video. Well, now that we have a keyframe, this is where the animation will start. You can just go ahead and navigate through the part where you want the animation to finish. In our case, we want to go ahead and zoom our video in about 2 seconds. So I'll go ahead and put my timeline right here. And once again, you then want to add another keyframe. From here, we are then going to zoom our clip to our preferred screen. And when I go ahead and play this video, it should now go ahead and zoom in into this part. So guys, if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.